Hello everyone, NeuroFox here, and today we're doing another ramen review. Today, we will be reviewing Maruchan's creamy chicken instant ramen. So, here's what it looks like. It's a lot yellow, more of a brighter yellow. It's a lot darker and cloudier than their normal chicken. It also smells a lot more like chickeny flavor. It smells quite salty as well. So, let's get right into this thing. I overcooked the noodles a little. It smells really good. Out of all the ramens I've had, this one smells the best. Excuse my dog in the background. All right, typical Maruchan noodle. Pretty good. Not bad. Pretty similar to the chicken flavor. It's kind of more salty. A little more oniony. All right, let's try the broth. It's more, it's kind of thicker, more hearty than their usual chicken broth. So overall, it tastes pretty different than the normal chicken. I prefer it to the normal chicken. So I'm going to give this a 8 out of 10. Honestly, not bad. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!